The general aim of this work is to analyze the processes of media literacy among young people. Our vision is oriented to non-formal contexts where learning happens collaboratively. In this way, we are interested in analyzing both the practice and the audiovisual discourses that adolescents elaborate through new media. For this, we have three specific goals. 1. To identify media literacy strategies that youth deployed in collaborative contexts. 2. To define what functions train young people as users of social networks, especially in virtual communities. 3. To describe the youth audiovisual content generated from the creation of transmedia worlds. To do this, we combine qualitative data collection techniques through action research, virtual ethnography, and visual methods that will allow us perform an empirical analysis based on direct experience with adolescents in a digital creation workshop. It is a media literacy experience aimed at children between 8 and 14 years old, carried out in a citizen laboratory. Following the model of activity system, we will look at the reference of the participants, the instruments of creation, the rules of language, the participation in the community, the roles derived from learning, the shared goals, and finally, the creations made in video. In this way, we hope to reconstruct comprehensively the practice developed in the workshop in a collaborative way.